Hi, my name is Emily Madriaga. I live in Karusukan, Narda, Singapore. I'm 41 years old. I have 4 children, 2 boy and 2 girl. I have 5 siblings. My father's name is Buenaventuro Bautista. My mother's name is Elena Bautista. I'm a high school graduate. I will work hard and I will follow the rules and regulation of my employer. Yes, I have an experience as domestic helper since 2019 until 2021. My duties and responsibility as a domestic helper is taking care of the children, taking care of the baby, taking care an elderly, cooking. I can cook, wash dishes, iron clothes. I do marketing. I can taking care of the pets. I am a good taking care of the children and elderly. I am work hard, polite, respectful, and patient to the children. I treat them like my own children because I love children. Don't you worry, mom.